Hello students, today we are going to discuss topic number 22 from our English grammar book. The name of this topic is this and these, that and those. So students, in this topic we are going to see where and how to make use of the words like this, these, that, those. So according to the position or the number of the objects, places or things we are talking about, we are going to make use of these words. So there are some rules in order to see where to make and how to make the use of this, that, these and those. So the first rule says we use this and these. You can see here the word this and the word these is used for naming words. Naming words, we have already learned about naming words. The names of animals, birds, persons, any places, any object, all. The name of all these are called as naming words. So when we are talking about naming words which are near us, which are very near to us, we make use of the words this and these. This was the first rule. And when we are talking about, or we use that and those. So here you can see that and those. So we make use of the words that and those when we are speaking about naming words which are far away from us. That is, they are at a distance, they are far away from us. At that time we make use of words like that and those. We will also be seeing examples which will make us know where to make use of this, these, that and those. First we will see the other two rules. The next rule says we use this and that. We make use of this and that for naming words which are one in number. So suppose I am talking about something and that thing is only one in number, then I make use of words this and that. Also, suppose I am talking about some object or something or some animals, birds, and those animals, birds or any objects, they are more than one in number. That is, they are plural. So plural, we have already learned about singular and plural. Singular means one in number and plural means more than one in number. So when I am talking about objects which are more than one in number, I make use of the words these and those. Okay, so what did we discuss here? When we are speaking about things which are near us, we make use of words like this and these. And when those objects are far away from us, we make use of words like that and those. So this is used for a singular object, a singular naming word, whereas these is used for objects or naming words which are more than one in number. Similarly, the objects which are far away from us, in that case, when there is only one naming word or one object, then we make use of that. And when the objects or the naming word is more than one in number, we make use of those. Okay. So now we will see some sentences from our textbook. Also, we will try to solve the exercise which is given in our grammar textbook. So students, this is page number 47 of your English textbook. You can see here, this is an elephant. So the elephant is near. So we say this is an elephant. The next here you can see, these are books. The books, they are more than one in number. So we make use of these. Whereas here you can see the elephant who is only one in number. So we make use of this. Similarly, that is a bird. The bird is at a distance from the person. So it is said that is a bird. Similarly here, boats. The boats, they are 2 in number. That is, they are greater than 1. So when the object is more than 1 in number, we make use of those. So those are boats. The boats are sailing in the sea. So they are far away from a person who is standing on the beach. So they say those are boats. The next here you can see, this is a giraffe. The giraffe is near. So, and the giraffe is only 1 in number. So we use this is a giraffe. Here you can see a kite. The kite is at a distance. So we say that is a kite. The kite is flying in the sky. So we say that is a kite. Similarly, here you can see these are pens. The number of pens, it is more than 1. So we make use of the word these. These pens are near to me. So I say these are pens. Whereas you can see here some balloons. They are more than 1 in number. So, and the balloons are at a distance. They are far away from me. So what will I say? Those are balloons. Now on the same page you can see some exercise which is given. So what we have to do? They say fill in the blanks with this or these. So all these words, naming words which are given, they are near to me. So I am going to use only this or these for them. This is used for a naming word which is only 1 in number, and these is to be used for the naming words which are more than 1 in number. First one is dash boy. So boy, it is the word boy tells us that it is only 1 boy. So what we will say? This boy. THIS, this boy. The next is dash rose. Here you can see a rose. So the rose is also 1 in number. So I will say this rose. The next is dash teddy bear. It also tells that the teddy bear is 1 in number. So I will write this teddy bear. The next dash bed. The word bed is telling us that the bed is only 1 in number. So I will write this bed. The next dash cap. The cap, here you can see the picture of a cap. The cap is only 1 in number. So I will say this cap. Right? Now see the 6th one. Dash chairs. The word chairs tells us that the chairs are more than 1 in number. So I will say these chairs. THESE, these chairs. The next dash toys. Toys. The word toys tells us that the toys are more than 1 in number. So these toys. Similarly, here you can see girls, tables, books. All these naming words indicate or tell us that all these things are more than 1 in number. So we will say these girls, these tables, these books. Now students, let us move on to the next page, page number 48 of your grammar textbook. Here you can see fill in the blanks with that or those. So here we have to make only use of that and those. So that is used for objects which are 1 in number, and those is used for objects which are more than 1 in number. So first one you can see dash birds. The birds, word birds, if it is 1 we say bird, but since it is more than 1 in number it says bird. So what we will use? We will use those birds. The next is dash packet. It is the word packet itself tells that it is 1 in number. So we write that packet. The next one dash book. Book only 1 in number. So we say that book. The next one is puppy. Only 1 in number. Puppy is the word used for 1 puppy. If it is more than 1 we should say puppies. So fourth one answer will be that puppy. Similarly the boat. Boat is also 1 in number. So we say that boat. The next one here you can see dash bags. Bags. The word bags tells us that the number of bags is more than 1. So those bags. What will we say? Those bags. The next is dash ducks. Ducks more than 1 in number. So we write those ducks. Similarly, shoes, flags and fans. Shoes, flags and fans. They tell us that these objects are more than 1 in number. So we use those shoes, those flags, those fans. Okay. Now let us move on to the next one, that is C. Tick the correct words given in the brackets. Few sentences are given and we have to make use of the words that are given into bracket. We have to choose the correct one. Let us read the first one. Nikki, please paint. Let us suppose here a dash picture. Please paint dash picture. So the picture is only 1 in number. So what will we use? We will use this. Nikki, please paint this picture. If it is said pictures, then we would have used these. But since the picture is only 1 in number, we will use this. Now the second one. Dash aeroplane is up in the sky. Those or that. Aeroplane, it is only 1 in number. So we use that. That aeroplane which is flying in the sky is 1 in number. So that. The next. Dash chairs are new. Chairs. So the chairs are more than 1 in number. So we use these chairs. Okay. Next. You blow dash balloon. The balloon is only 1 in number. So we say this balloon. Next. Dash peacock on the roof of the house is beautiful. So dash peacock. Peacock is 1 in number. So we use that peacock on the roof of the house is beautiful. Next, dash clouds are grey in color. Clouds more than 1 in number. So those clouds are grey in color. The next one you can see, fill in the blanks with that or those. So here blanks are given. Also pictures are available to you. Hills, hut, elephant and birds. So here you can see 2 hills. So you have to make, what will you use here? This is, you have to do it on your own. Okay, here you can see 2 hills more than 1 in number. Here the hut is only 1 in number. The elephant is also only 1 in number. And the birds here, they are more than 1 in number. So you have to decide what to use, that or those. You can do this for yourself.